Hi there, welcome to another new session in Deepak's Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you a world's healthiest snack. That's a fruit chaat. This is a street side delicacy in our Bangalore, and believe me, it's so delicious and it is that easy to make also. So without much wait, let's see how this yummy fruit chaat is done. The ingredients required to make this recipe are a pinch of jeera powder, a pinch of crushed pepper powder, a pinch of coriander powder, 2 pinches of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of gulkand, and salt as per taste. Honey 1 tablespoon, ripe pineapple 1 number, finely ripe bananas 2 chikus. And let's see how to make this. So here first of all I have taken nicely ripe chikus. We need to cut them. Discard the seeds. And using the knife you can take this like this. And make few pieces. Make rough cuts. And roughly cut these. And we'll add everything in a bowl. Similarly, I'll chop off the head of this pineapple. And remember, it should be like this colored. This is a perfect and smells amazing. It means it has been ripe perfectly. To this, you need to take a knife and fly it like this. This is how you need to cut a pineapple, so there would be least amount of a wastage. Let's discard this and chop them to a bite-sized pieces. And we'll take them out in the bowl. In goes the bananas. Be careful while doing this. And here all the fruits are cut nicely. If you want, you can add whichever favorite fruits of yours to this. So for this, I like this combination. In this, I will add few pinches of freshly crushed pepper, nearly a 2 pinches of red chili powder. This is a roasted cumin powder or the jeera powder. A little bit, just a pinch of a coriander powder. And rock salt. This is a Himalayan pink salt which I am using. You can add as per taste. I am just using 2 pinches to enhance the flavor. And the star of the show here, it's a gulkand, a special sweet made from the rose petals. We'll add nearly a teaspoon of this. This is my favorite sweet. And finally, in this I will add a tablespoon of honey. Not more than this, it's more than enough. And now you need to mix this. Mix everything nice and good, so everything coats each and every bit of the fruits. I really miss one ingredient in this, and that's jackfruit. If you had a finely ripe jackfruits now, you just add that to this and it will make a lot of difference, and believe me, it tastes that good also. And here how beautiful it is. Simple fruit chaat and loads of health benefits from this, and tastes so much yummy. You should remember one thing, that the predominant flavor in this should always be the pineapple. And look, and my style of fruit chaat is now ready. Let's plate this and we'll have a feast. Wow, it's that simple, and kids will fall in love with this recipe. I promise you guys that. So hope you guys like this video. If so, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and please do share the prepared recipe in the Instagram, and don't forget to tag that to Deepak's Kitchen. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon, touch the notifications to all. Then only you will get all our updates. We'll be back with another yummy recipe. Till then, Deepak Kshatriya signing off, and Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka. Namaste.